What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back into Aquatica today to see how the Mat Racer slide is doing, or anything else that's going on. So let's head inside and check it all out. Walkabout Waters, or the kids area, is back in operation. And we can see the bucket dumping the water. Everybody's having a lot of fun in here. But it's good to see that this is back open. As we can see here, the Mat Racer slide is completely back together now, but no water is on. We should have some testing here in the next week though, so we'll let you know when that happens. Now we're here at the entrance, and we can see the sign and the work walls, and the work walls have been pushed back just a bit because the kids area being open. But yeah, this still closed, but hopefully we're gonna have an opening here by the end of the month. Another beautiful day here at Aquatica. Temperatures are in the high 70s, low 80s, and the wave pool is running. And that's going to do it for our update here at Aquatica. As we saw, the Mat Racer slide is complete. We are just awaiting testing. We're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.